Create desktop shortcuts for shutdown and restart. I'm Hewie Poplock. Here are a few tips to show you how to make two handy shortcuts right on your desktop, one for shutting down your computer and another for restarting it. These are great for quick access, especially if you find the start menu a little confusing or just want a faster way to power off. Normally, to shut down your computer, you have to click Start, then find the power button with the arrow, and then hit Shutdown. That's 3 clicks. With a shortcut, you can do it with just one double click on your desktop. It's also helpful if you want to put your computer to sleep or restart quickly after updates. Let's actually create a shortcut to see how it's done. Right mouse click in a blank spot on the desktop. New shortcut. We want the command that we're going to use. So we're going to say shutdown, /S for shutdown, and then /T0. Next, and we're going to call it shutdown and hit finish. We're going to right mouse click, new and shortcut. This time we're going to type in shutdown / and we're going to put R for restart /T and again 0. We're going to say next, call it restart and say finish. Okay, now what we can do is let's go to shutdown, properties, and then we're going to say change icon, saying here. Okay, so we're going to say okay, and it's going to open this up. Let's find something that fits. I like the keys, and we'll say okay, and then okay. We'll do the same thing with restart, and we're going to say change the icon. I like this for the button, and say okay, okay, and now we have our 2 shortcuts ready to go. Creating the shutdown shortcut. Let's start by creating the shortcut. Right click, you saw me do that on an empty spot on your desktop. You choose the new and then shortcut, and then you type the location of the item. Then you enter shortcut /S for shutdown, T for 0, and the 0 means no delay. Click next, name it shutdown, and finish. We saw that in the video. Same thing for the creating the restart shortcut. You go through the same thing, but remember it's /R0 if you want to do it right away. Here's the optional, and I showed you how to do this as well. The default icon looks like a plain shortcut, and then we make it look nicer. I showed you how to do that. Steps to find icons. Right click on your shortcut properties and then change icons. You'll see the blank box and then browse, and this is the path that you need to find it if you need to do so, and press enter and you'll see a gallery of built-in icons to choose from, and choose OK and then apply. If you'd like something more personalized, you can also download free .ico icon files from trusted sites such as iconarchive.com and flaticon.com. Just save them somewhere safe, then browse to that folder and select the icon file directly. Adding to the taskbar or start menu. If you want to even go faster, you can pin your shortcut to the taskbar or start menu. You just right click the shortcut and select pin to taskbar or pin to start. Now you can shut down or restart with one click. Word of caution, be careful when using these shortcuts. They'll close everything instantly. Always save your work first. If you'd rather have a short delay, change the 0 to a few seconds. For example, shutdown /S /T10, and that gives you 10 seconds before shutdown. As a summary, you learned how to create the shortcut for shutdown and restart. You can customize their icons, you can pin them for easy access, and now you can turn off your computer with a simple double click or single click. I'm Hewie Poplock.